Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Triumph Bonneville T120. In the diverse world of cruiser motorcycles, the Triumph Bonneville T120 emerges as a beacon of timeless elegance, offering beginners an exquisite entry into the alluring realm of cruising. With its classic design, refined performance, and a touch of British sophistication, the Bonneville T120 stands out as the best beginner cruiser motorcycle from the esteemed Triumph stable. In this exploration, we delve into the distinctive features that make the Bonneville T120 an ideal choice for beginners, providing a harmonious blend of classic aesthetics, approachable performance, and a refined introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. Classic aesthetics with modern craftsmanship. The Triumph Bonneville T120 immediately captures attention with its classic aesthetics, paying homage to the iconic Bonneville line while incorporating modern craftsmanship. The bike's timeless silhouette, sculpted fuel tank, spoked wheels, and elegant chrome accents create a visual symphony that resonates with riders seeking a cruiser with a touch of nostalgia. The Bonneville T120 is a testament to Triumph's commitment to blending classic design with contemporary build quality, offering beginners a motorcycle that exudes both heritage and modern refinement. Triumph's dedication to classic aesthetics in the Bonneville T120 reflects the brand's understanding of the enduring appeal of timeless design elements and their significance for riders entering the world of cruisers. Refined performance of the parallel twin engine. Powering the Triumph Bonneville T120 is a spirited parallel twin engine that provides a refined and approachable performance. The engine's character is a key aspect of the Bonneville T120's appeal, offering a smooth and linear power delivery that suits riders in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. The distinctive exhaust note adds to the overall experience, providing a pleasing soundtrack to the cruiser lifestyle. The Bonneville T120's engine not only offers sufficient power for city commuting but also provides a satisfying performance on open roads, making it an ideal companion for beginners. Triumph's focus on refined performance in the Bonneville T120 aligns with the brand's commitment to providing riders with a cruiser that not only looks elegant but also delivers a gratifying and controllable riding experience. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed riding. True to the cruiser ethos, the Triumph Bonneville T120 offers comfortable ergonomics that cater to leisurely rides and extended journeys. The bike features a relaxed riding posture, with a well-padded seat, mid-set foot pegs, and easy-to-reach handlebars. This ergonomic setup allows riders to adopt a comfortable stance, ensuring an enjoyable experience during both short city rides and long cruises. The Bonneville T120's attention to rider comfort makes it an ideal choice for beginners who appreciate the unhurried pace and comfort of cruising. Triumph's commitment to comfortable ergonomics in the Bonneville T120 reflects the brand's understanding of the importance of rider well-being during extended cruising sessions, especially for riders new to the cruiser lifestyle. Intuitive handling and beginner-friendly features. Despite its classic design, the Triumph Bonneville T120 offers intuitive handling characteristics that make it accessible for beginners. The bike's chassis and suspension are tuned to provide a balanced and responsive ride, allowing riders to confidently navigate various riding conditions. Additionally, the Bonneville T120 may come equipped with beginner-friendly features such as modern instrumentation, ensuring that riders have access to essential information while on the road. The inclusion of intuitive handling and beginner-friendly features in the Bonneville T120 reflects Triumph's commitment to providing entry-level riders with a cruiser that not only looks sophisticated but also fosters a positive and confidence-building introduction to cruiser riding. Cultural impact and community connection. The Triumph Bonneville T120 has made a significant impact on motorcycle culture, creating a community of riders who appreciate its blend of classic elegance and accessible performance. The T120 has become a symbol of entry into the Triumph lifestyle, resonating with beginners who seek a cruiser that aligns with their desire for a refined and sophisticated riding experience. The T120's cultural impact extends beyond individual ownership, fostering a community of like-minded riders who share a common appreciation for the classic and timeless allure of the cruiser lifestyle. The cultural impact of the Bonneville T120 reflects Triumph's ability to create motorcycles that not only meet the practical needs of beginners but also evoke a sense of enthusiasm and community among riders entering the cruiser world. Customization potential for personal expression. The Triumph Bonneville T120 invites riders to personalize their motorcycles, with ample potential for customization. From alternative exhaust options to unique paint schemes and accessories, the T120 provides opportunities for beginners to make the bike uniquely their own. This customization potential not only adds a personal touch to the T120 but also encourages riders to express their individuality and creativity within the diverse and welcoming cruiser community. Triumph's tradition of offering extensive customization options in the Bonneville T120 reflects the brand's understanding of riders as individuals with diverse tastes, providing a platform for beginners to explore their personal style within the refined and inclusive Triumph culture.